singular and plural. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun.
Now we are going to learn about number 0. Now I am going to take 2 pencils out. How many pencils are left? 0.
Today's grass motor is roll the ball, equipments, cardboard box and a potato. First, paste the paper roll in the box as tunnels. Keep the potato in the box and then roll the potato into the tunnels. Use paper ball instead of potato.
நம்ம இன்னைக்கு வகுப்பில் என்ன பாடம் பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா பாடம் 8 நூலகம் இந்த பாடத்தினுடைய கடின வார்த்தைகள் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம்.
We can also count the number of syllables by clapping hands. For example, understand, understand, 3 syllables. Pillow, pill-low, 2 syllables.
Dark one you have here, dots. You have 60. If you count the dots, you will get together 60. So, the minute hand, look at here, I am moving the minute hand. That means long hand. See. Now I am moving. I am going to complete one round. Look at the short hand. What happened? In the beginning, it stands on 12. When I move the long hand, what happened to the short hand? It is also moving, isn't it?
Here we are going to hear some interesting fact about birds. The eggs of birds are different shapes and size. The color of egg is usually white, but some birds lay colored eggs.
In this, see the line which passes from west to east. See there are many lines passes from west to east. Is it so? These lines are called latitudes or parallels. See, they are parallel to each other. Each line are parallel to each other. Understand, Kanna? And see the line which passes from north to south. See here, there are many lines. It passes from north to south. These are called longitude and also it is called as meridians.
இப்போ உங்களோட பாடப்புத்தகத்துல பக்க எண் 102 அதுல பாருங்க நமக்கு இணைப்பு சொற்கள்னு கொடுத்து ஒரு பத்தி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா, ஒரு உரையாடல் வடிவிலையான ஒரு பத்தி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அதை இப்ப நம்ம படிக்க போறோம். அதை படிச்சு என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா அதுல எந்தெந்த சொற்கள் இணைப்பு சொற்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நாம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், அடிக்கோடிட போறோம்.
Number of trees in each row is 208. 1958 into 208. Now you do the multiplication. 8 8s are 64, remainder 6. Now add everything and remainder 1 plus 3 is 4.
Now I am going to draw the angle for 45 degrees. See, here it is 0. The line 0 should coincide on this line. Okay. So from this you count. See, 10, 20, 40. You have to take next 5 lines. So that is 45 degree. This is 45 degree and now you can join the lines.
Today we are going to discuss about the formation of compound. So it is made up of 2 or more atoms of different elements.
Today we are going to learn about the stages of reproduction. There are 2 stages of reproduction. One is pollination, another one is fertilization. In this class we are going to learn about pollination.
First you have to draw prism, triangle shape. Then this is white light. Without fade, draw the arrow mark. It's incident. Then here 7 lines. There is a refraction here. This is white light. From air it is entering into glass. So here there is a dispersion.
Sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. This is the formula. Okay, so 1 by 2 into sin of x plus y means we have to add these two. So here x is 35, y is 28. After addition, what will you get? 35, 55, 63. Plus this half is common. 63 sin of x minus y. After subtracting this, you will get it as sign 7. This is the answer.
Sri National believes in a very simple idea of smart learning. Rise, be ready to learn English. Remember, we do not use indefinite articles before uncountable nouns. Example, a water, a sand. Children, story time. Are you ready to read a story with me? I see a cat. Cat sees a rat. The rat is fat. The cat is fat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. The cat in the hat. I can pat the cat.
I see a cat. Cat sees a rat. I can pat the hat.
Now we are going to do science experiment float and sink. Floatna மெதக்கிறது, சிங்க்னா மூழ்கிறது. I'll show you the few objects that float and sink. Heavy objects sink in water. See here, stone is heavy, so it sinks in water. Ball is light, so it floats in water.
Now I am doing science experiment. Floating and sinks. It is floating. This spoon is very heavy. It is sinks.
நம்ம இப்போ இந்த மணலை வச்சு விளையாட போகிறோம், சரிங்களா? அம்மாவோட சொல்லியது போல் கொஞ்சம் மணல் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. நம்ம இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் தெரியுமா? நான் இதுக்குள்ள ஒரு சில உயிர் எழுத்துக்களை மறைச்சி வச்சுருக்கேன். அதை தேடி கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். வாங்க, நல்லா மணலை கிளறி பாருங்க. கிடைச்சிருச்சு. இது என்ன உயிர் எழுத்து? ஏ. அடுத்ததாக கண்டுபிடிக்கலாமா? புள்ளிகளை இணை, வண்ணம் தீட்டு. நல்லா கவனிங்க. இங்கே ஒரு சில புள்ளிகள் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். புள்ளிகளுக்கு பக்கத்தில் ஒரு சில எழுத்துக்கள் இருக்குது. அது என்ன எழுத்துக்கள்னு தெரியுதா? இ மற்றும் ஈ. இப்போ நம்ம இந்த புள்ளிகளை இணைச்சோன்னா ஒரு படம் கிடைக்கும். அந்த படத்தை உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச வண்ணத்தை வச்சு வண்ணம் தீட்டுங்க. முதல்ல ஈ எல்லாத்தையும் இணைங்க. மெதுவாக இணைங்க.
Let's do an activity. What shape is this? Yes, this is oval shape. First, we are going to trace the oval shape by using the pencil. Trace the oval shape. Take the Bengal gram and keep it on the oval shape one by one.
Now we are going to do the fine motor activity, paper ball making. Take a paper or newspaper as you wish. Use one or both hands to crush the paper. Crush the paper. Wrap the other paper into your first crushed paper. Slowly do this activity.
എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാക്കണത്?
Not about it, Daddy.
Today's grass motor is jump over obstacles. First, place the bricks on the ground in a vertical manner or in a circle manner. Next, keep the bricks with little gap in between them and then jump over the obstacles with your 2 feet together.
Today we are going to see measuring the length of a curved line using thread. Using your thumb, you can hold the thread. Next, I am going to drive the thread on the curved line. Since it is a curved line, I cannot use for long distance. Small distance, you hold the thread on the line. See how am I doing? To explain this experiment, you are going to have a YouTube video also. I think more than that you can understand this live video. So see how am I driving the thread along with the curved line. So here I have to mark a point at B on the thread. I am going to keep this point A in 1 centimeter.
Crow. Crow is a clever bird. Crow is in black color. Crow makes the sound caw, caw. Car, madlunde. Tree, maram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 words. She அவள் it இது யார் உங்களுடைய do say what என்ன பார்க் பூங்கா ஷாப் கதை வாட்டர் தண்ணீர் அறுசுவைகள் பற்றி பார்ப்போமா? இனிப்பு, கசப்பு, புளிப்பு, கார்ப்பு, உவர்ப்பு, துவர்ப்பு. கசப்பு, பாவக்காய், சுண்டைக்காய், வேப்பிலை. Quick, well, dry, kind, nice, heavy, beautiful, different, early, large, quiet, careful, strong, full, few, more, most, better, best, less, then, whole, nothing, right. நண்பர்களே, ஓநாய் அந்த மேளத்தை பெற்றுக்கொண்டு என்ன செய்தது தெரியுமா? பாட்டு பாடியது. என்ன பாட்டுன்னு தெரியுங்களா? இதோ இப்ப நான் பாடுகிறேன், வாருங்கள் என் கூட பாடுங்கள். வாலு போய் கத்தி வந்து டும் 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 டும், கத்தி போய் வரகு வந்து டும் 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 டும். This is axis. This is the India. Sunlight came to the earth, India. That is daytime. Earth rotate. Then India has night. Back side of the earth is daytime. Today I am going to talk about my favorite dish. My favorite dish is lady's finger fry. Lady's finger is very healthy. It is green and red in color. It is rich in magnesium, fiber and vitamin C and A. It is also called okra. It is easy to prepare. Hi auntie, how are you? I'm fine dear. You are going to somewhere auntie? Yes, I'm going to Gram Panchayat. Panchayat? What do you mean by Panchayat? I'll tell you. Come with me. Grama Panchayat means local government. First, let us know the meaning of Gram Panchayat. Gram means village. Panchayat means council. நான் இன்று ஒரு திருக்குறள் கதை கூறப் போகிறேன். அக்கதையின் தலைப்பு உண்மையான அணிகலன்கள். Ananya, whose sunglasses is this? That is your sunglass.
155 divided by 5. So let's add 5 times table. 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 10 and 3 5 is 15. So here 3 and here 15. 0 5. So 1 into 5 equals 5. So the remainder is 0. So friends, here we got 31 for the question and 0 for the remainder. Friends, I'm here to share you some points about Afghanistan, which is a neighboring country. Let us watch. Afghanistan got independence in 1919. It is surrounded by many mountains, so it is a mountainous country. Kabul is the capital city. Their currency is Afghani. There are many resources such as gas, petroleum, coal, iron ore, etc.
I have done the model on the concept of eclipses. There are two types of eclipses. One, solar eclipse. Two, lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. When the sun, moon and earth comes in a straight line, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth.
This is a flute made by me and I am going to flute this. I've done a project on Lithuania, a country in Europe, so I'm going to explain it now. This is my project. So let me go with dressing first. The people in Lithuania will dress like this. This is the dress code.
समय पोएम सूरज सदा समय से आता और सदा समय से जाता चंदा सदा समय से आता और सदा समय से जाता.
Today I am going to give you information about Greece. Here is the map of Greece. So Greece is located in the southern part of Europe.
Today I am going to do an experiment based on magnet. Here I have a magnet and an iron bolt. Now I place the iron bolt on the top and the magnet at the bottom. I am going to move the magnet and automatically the iron bolt moves along the path. This is a structure of a simple pendulum. Parts required for a simple pendulum are rigid support, point of suspension and a bob. Now I am going to do the experiment. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this activity, show that how electrostatic force acts. Take this balloon and rub it on our hair. And when we bring it near to the bits of paper, the bits of paper gets attracted. Today, I am going to explain that light travels in a straight line using two activities. Activity 1. Here, I have a roll of paper and a candle. We are able to see the flame of the candle through the hole. But if I bend the paper, we are not able to see the flame. This is because the roll is not in a straight line and light, unlike sound, cannot travel in waves. That is, it cannot pass through the bent roll of paper.
Today we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns.
Pronouns that refer to position is called as possessive pronouns. Example, that book is mine. Here, mine is a possessive pronoun.
Hi Akka. Hi dear. What do you want? I need tomatoes, brinjals and bananas.
Okay, one tomato is 10 rupees, one brinjal is 20 rupees and one banana is 5 rupees. Now, how much tomatoes, brinjals and bananas do you need?
I need 2 tomatoes. One tomato costs 10 rupees and 2 tomatoes cost 20 rupees.
Does Guru have a chess mat?
Yes, Guru has a chess mat. What does your father do?
My father is a banker. What does his father do? His father is a businessman.
What does her father do?
Her father is a farmer. What does Mukta's father do?
Mukta's father is an engineer.
Vanakkam. I am Jay Mitra from UKG. Today I came at Jhansi Rani. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. I was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. Today I am going to talk about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was a famous freedom fighter from Punjab.
எண்ணினிய தேசமே என் நாடே தாய் நாடே உன் பாதம் பணிகிறோம் என் உயிரே தாய் மண்ணே.
தாய் தமிழுக்கும் தாய் மண்ணுக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். என்று தனியும் இந்த சுதந்திர தாகம், என்று மடியும் எங்கள் அடிமையின் மோகம், என்று எமது அன்னை கை விலங்குகள் போகும், என்று எமது இன்னல்கள் தீர்ந்து போய் யாகும், என்று சுதந்திர கனல் மூட்டி அச்சமில்லை அச்சமில்லை அச்சமென்பதில்லையே.
எனதிந்தியா 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 எனதிந்தியா.
அந்த வானம் கெட்ட சொல்லு வந்தே மாதரம், பூமி எங்கும் சொல்லு வந்தே மாதரம்.
Push-ups. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy House. 1 minute for question. Give the answers.
Ma'am, mitochondrial
One
chloroplast.
mark.
Chromoplast, leucoplast.
Yes, correct. Another 1 mark.
Ma'am, then cell sap.
Cell sap is stored in vacuole is the right answer. 3 mark. Where is it located in the plant cell?
Periphery of the center of the cell.
Center of the cell. 4 out of 4. Good.
The effective ways to reduce the water scarcity by water pricing, educating and creating an awareness and all those.
And water pricing is a term that covers various processes to assign a price to water.